Hello guys, Steve here. I'm with the Losi Tenacity. This is the DB Pro. And I was here the other few days ago with my Kyosho Beetle. You could see the tracks in here. I was gonna record and make another video because I made that first video by the tank up there I ride, but the GoPro failed and it just took pictures, so I didn't have this video. But this was so nice, guys, that I'm gonna try this DB Pro here. But let me show you something real quick on the DB Pro. I used this like 2 times and I took it off the shelf and I was like, what the hell? Oil was leaking out here. So I just took this all apart, filled the front diff with oil. It was loose, the screws, and it leaked the oil out. So I just fixed it up now and it's ready to go. I think I'm gonna go down there to that side of the ball field on the other side and see how that is. I'll meet you there, guys. Alrighty, I'm here on the other side. I gotta hook this up here. It's windy as hell, so I don't know if you'll hear me good, but let me hook this up. I got a LiPo beeper. Whoa, that thing's loud. Now, turn it on. I disconnected the lights here because there's no need for them. It's cold. Come on, you bugger. There it is. Alright. Ball field, let's see. I don't know how this one is. This one looks like it might be wet. It's real fluffy, guys. Alright, there she is, guys. The reason I wanted to bring something to the ball field because the dirt was real nice. It's like brown sugar. And I wanted to bring something fast to rip it up. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah. Oh, this stuff is so soft. I don't know if you'll hear me because I almost got it. This is so soft. a beauty, guys. Let's take it on the grass. Let's see how, oh, what the hell did I hit? I don't know if you guys seen that. I'll try to zoom in. I hit something over on the other field on the grass. I flew up in the air, tumbled real bad. Let me get it. So I guess we're gonna be at this ball field now. Holy crap. I hit that lip. It went flying. It landed all the way over here. Look at the chunk out of that. And it went all the way over here from the edge of the grass. Holy smoke. Maybe that's a jump. Let's try it out. Yep. Alright. We have some jumping action now. But off for it. Somewhere over here there's a big lift. Looks like over here. Let's try this. Right in the grass here. This thing's freaking long crap. I'm used to my Tamayas. I didn't think this was gonna end that quick. I hit that jump and went right into this fence. Hey, woohoo! Crazy Losi. Thing's pretty quick. Let's see how long it takes to get from this ball field to by me. That thing's a ripper. Probably gonna go dead soon. I only have it on a 5200 milliamp. Yeah, everyone goes, oh, make my Tamayas faster, make my Tamayas faster. For what? I got this, and I got other fast cars, so I don't make them fast. Oh, that's a nice jump. Oh! This thing's awesome, guys. Thanks. A lady walking liked it. That's it. Low voltage cutoff. The 5200 don't last too long, guys, but man, what a blast I had running this beauty. I didn't run it in a long time. Fun as hell. I had that one problem with the front diff. I fixed her good. Let's see how that diff's working. Oh yeah, it's nice and creamy now. Alright guys, there you have it. The ripping of the Losi Tenacity DB Pro. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a beauty, I'll tell you. Look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see all you guys next time. Thanks for watching. He's gone.